Welcome to our video on 10 exciting and lucrative money-making ideas. Whether you're looking to boost your income, start a new venture, or explore entrepreneurial opportunities, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. 1. Online freelancing. With the rise of the digital age, freelancing has become a fantastic way to make money. From graphic design and content writing to programming and virtual assistants, there's a wide range of skills in demand. Join popular freelance platforms, showcase your talent, and start earning a substantial income from the comfort of your own home. 2. E-commerce. Tap into the ever-growing world of e-commerce. Create an online store to sell unique products or set up a dropshipping business. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce make it easy to launch and manage your own e-commerce venture. With effective marketing strategies, you can attract customers and generate substantial profits. 3. YouTube channel. Are you passionate about something? Share your knowledge and creativity with the world through a YouTube channel. From tutorials and vlogs to entertaining content, YouTube offers an excellent opportunity to monetize your videos through ads, sponsorships, and brand collaborations. Build a loyal subscriber base and watch your income grow. 4. Blogging. If you enjoy writing, blogging might be the perfect money-making idea for you. Choose a niche you're passionate about, create engaging content, and build an audience. Monetize your blog through advertising, sponsored posts, or even selling your own products. With dedication and quality content, your blog can become a profitable online business. 5. Rental services. Do you have assets you're not using to their full potential? Consider starting a rental business. Whether it's renting out your spare room on platforms like Airbnb, leasing equipment or vehicles, or even offering event spaces, the sharing economy can help you turn idle assets into a lucrative income stream. 6. Online courses. Leverage your expertise by creating and selling online courses. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to develop and market your courses to a global audience. Teach valuable skills, share your knowledge, and earn passive income as students enroll in your courses. 7. App development. In today's app-centric world, there's a constant demand for innovative mobile applications. If you have programming skills, consider developing your own app or offering app development services. From gaming apps to productivity tools, the possibilities are endless. With a successful app, you can generate substantial revenue through ads or in-app purchases. 8. Social media influencing. Build your personal brand on social media and become an influencer. Create engaging content, grow your following, and collaborate with brands for sponsored posts and promotions. From Instagram to TikTok and YouTube, social media influencing offers tremendous potential for monetizing your online presence. 9. Stock trading. For those with an interest in finance, stock trading can be a highly profitable venture. Learn about the stock market, analyze trends, and make informed investment decisions. With careful research and risk management, you can grow your wealth through buying and selling stocks. 10. Real estate investing. Real estate has long been a solid investment option. Consider investing in properties for rental income or flipping houses for profit. Research the market, analyze potential returns, and work with professionals to make informed decisions. With the right strategy, real estate investing can yield significant long-term gains. And there you have it, 10 money-making ideas to inspire your entrepreneurial journey. Remember, success comes with dedication, perseverance, and continuous learning. Choose an idea that aligns with your interests and strengths, and don't be afraid to take that first step towards financial independence. Good luck!